So I've been working on the ads for my business. I'm using this specific ad strategy that I learned from a course I'm taking. If you want to know, I'm going to teach it to you like a class. It's also for me to like learn myself, because you know they say like when you teach someone else you learn better. So anyway, let's just get into it. So, and this strategy is more for testing your product first. So it's pretty basic once you really understand it. Let me erase this first. So I'm gonna try to explain it to you as simple as possible, because also to really know if someone knows what the fuck they're talking about, if they can put it in the most simplest form possible, like a 2-year-old can understand. You're gonna start off with one ad campaign. This is like the bulk of all your ads. Like it's like the let's say like you want to organize on your computer like folders. Like this is the folder. This is like a folder of your ad. You're gonna start off with one, right? And let's say in this one ad campaign, you branch down to 3 ad sets. So ad set 1, you branch into 3 different ad sets. And then within each ad set, so now again, there's 3 layers to ads, right? You got a campaign, you got the ad set, and then you have the actual ad. So right now, it's a beautiful Christmas tree. And this is how your ads are gonna look like. So you have your campaign, your ad sets, and your ads. So let me explain to you what it is. So your ads, like we said before, they're your actual ad, your video, your picture. In this case, I'm doing TikTok, so it's my video, right? So I got my video 1, video 2, video 3. Within these ad sets are the videos, and within all these ad sets are the one campaign, the one folder, like I said. Why is it like this? Why can't you just post videos and pay for it? Let me explain to you. So in total, you're spending $60, right? And because you're spending $20 on each ad set, so in total it's $60 a day. And the way this works is we're going to be doing an ABO, which is called ad budget optimization, instead of a CBO, which is a campaign budget optimization. So we're not doing this, right? And the difference between the people that don't know is a campaign budget optimization spreads the money between the ad sets. So like, give me time to be clear, right? So if you put CBO, if you turn CBO on here, what all these ads managers do is throughout the day when you're spending the total $60, within the $60, it spends more on ones that are performing well, right? So for an example, for CBO, if this complete ad set is doing better than this one, so if one is doing better than 2, it might spend for the day, let's say 30, and this one 10, and this one 20, right? Or even this one is ad set 1 is doing better than all of them, maybe it'll do 40, 10, 10. So like it kind of spreads out the $60 budget that you have for the day between the ad sets. But we don't want that. That's not what I'm doing. We're doing ABO, so it spreads between here, the ads, because you want to spend the $20 on each ad set, because we're testing, right? So we don't know. So what it'll do is within the ads, now it might, do 5 here, 10 here, 5 there. Well, the difference is actually not much, because all of these, ad 1, ad 2, ad 3, they're all the same. This ad 1 is the same thing as this ad 1. It's the same video. Ad 2 is the same video as ad 2. It goes on, right? So these are all the same videos. So basically you're making 3 videos, like I said before. I'm making 3 videos duplicated. The difference is within the ad set. So within the ad set, you're basically just testing interest. I don't have a green marker. Where the fuck's my green marker? And what interest does is basically, it's like when you post something and you do a hashtag or you tag something. It's kind of like an interest. You've got different interests. So let's say, for an example, the product we're selling is boxing gloves, right? So this whole campaign is on trying to sell boxing gloves. All these videos are on boxing glove product. But the interest would probably be, let's say interest one is pure broad boxing. The other one is kickboxing. And the third one is Mike Tyson. So it's like basically interest or tags that correlate to your product. And the reason for that is so you're targeting different audiences, because your target audience kind of makes a big deal, right? When we're doing paid ads, our target audience makes a big deal. So you want to make sure you're testing different audiences when testing a product. Make sure which audience does well. So now you leave this on for 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days, so that means you'll be spending around $120 to $180. When you reach $120 to $180 without touching it, don't touch it, don't change settings, nothing. You leave it like this, right? After the 2-3 days, then you assess the results. If you got 0 sales, restart. Drop the product, change, right? Because if you're not getting sales with that much amount of money spent, it's a dead product, it's a dead service, whatever you're selling, just switch it. If you're profitable, this is how it's gonna go, right? So if you're profitable, let's say this one's profitable, this one's profitable, and this one's profitable, right? The other ones are scrap, okay? You're gonna cancel these, so scratch these out, cancel these, stop running them because you're losing money with them. What you can do is just double the amount you're paying. And then, again, you have to wait back to the 2-3 days. So once you double it, once you double your budget for them, so now instead of $20, you're gonna put $40, right? So now you're putting $40 into this one ad. When you do $40 into this one ad, you have to wait 2-3 days to see the results. Because again, you can't just, oh shit, this is winning, it's making me money, fucking drop 10 G's on it. No. Don't get ahead of yourself. Keep your dick in your pants, right? You gotta wait another 2-3 days, see how it works. If again it works, you again double it. So now this would be, see, this would go from 20 to 40 to 80. So now you're spending $80 on these ads. It's getting money, right? You're getting money, but you're getting money in return. So you're using the profit you're getting from the ads to increase the budget, right? And that's how simple it is. But besides that, that's the ad strategy I'm using. But again, thank you for listening.